What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be reinstalling my lip that I broke over the winter. It's got a bunch of cracks in it, so you can see. My friend told me to pull it off of the car before driving around in the snow because it was going to break. Of course, hard-headed, I didn't listen. And that same day, broke the lip when I got to my sister's house. So now I'm going to have to drill some holes on both of these sides and zip tie it together and see if it'll hold up on the car. So a few days ago I painted my wheels that I already had. I had to sand them down. It had a bunch of plasti dip. It had so many layers that weren't even that I just had to sand it down because they would not peel. So after sanding them down, I painted them white and I threw them on the car already. I'll show you guys. My lug nuts that I have on there right now were really corroded, they were ugly, and I had to do something about them. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cleaned them and got them looking like this. They look way better than what they looked a while ago, so I'll show you guys how I cleaned them all up. Pretty simple. So this is the stuff I used. It's called White Diamond. It's a metal polish with long-lasting sealant. I have 2 lug nuts right now that I need to clean, so I'll show you guys how I did it. So if you guys see, they're a little dirty. I'm about to clean them up right now. Alright guys, so got the first one cleaned up. See how nice and shiny that got? Now I can throw this baby back on. So I guess I'm gonna start drilling away. Got my zip ties too, if you didn't see that. I don't know what size hole I'm gonna make it. show you guys the holes I made. They're not beautiful, but neither is this lip. I'm gonna clip all these off once I put the lip on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I got the lip installed. I didn't tighten the zip ties until I had the lip on there so that I could pull the zip ties as tight as I could so it could hold on good. Still a small gap in there, you know, but it's on there. Lip's not going anywhere unless I hit something really good, but by then I'd probably break my bumper. That's the end of this video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.